How to hold your yarn while knitting. We hold our yarn in a particular way to create consistent tension for even stitches. One way to create this is bring your wool between your fourth and fifth finger, wrap it around your baby finger, underneath your two middle fingers, allowing it rest on top of your first finger. Your first finger is now free to wrap the wool around your needle as you complete each stitch. As you continue to knit, you will need to feed more wool through to this finger. Do this by slightly opening your other fingers to allow more wool to come through, and feed this up to your first finger. Note that is your first finger maintaining the tension in the wool. This finger isn't used to hold your needle or your work. It is simply maintaining consistent tension by gently feeding more wool as needed and wrapping consistently around each stitch, giving you nice, clean, even stitches in your work.